Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see, we are going to be starting these stunning peonies. And no, I'm not starting with pink, I'm starting with blue. And we're working right up in here because everything else was just a little discombobulated that wouldn't work for the video. So this is what we're doing, and I'm using 4 strands because it's a 9 count. Got this morning from AliExpress, and the color I'm using is 807. How is everybody doing? It is Wednesday. Yay! I'm so excited. Yep, let's get this day done. Oh my goodness. Oh, of course, we have to be right on top of those. Oh, jeepers creepers. Yeah, I kind of moved them around, evidently not far enough, huh? Oh, yesterday I thought it was never going to end. Yeah, we have found out it's not 2 concerts. We have this thing called 14er Fest. I have no idea what that entails. You couldn't even begin to tell me. I have no idea. I don't know anything about it because I have no idea of anybody that is involved with it. So we got that going on, and then there is a concert in town. I think might be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm not real sure. Yeah, so today ought to just be super and ducky. And also we have the leaves turning, and I will put a picture my daughter sent me right in here of one of the passes that's not too far from where I work. And that's what they saw yesterday. So, yeah, I got nothing. It'll be exciting. So we have all them stopping on the highway and, what do you call it, and taking pictures and, you know, getting out of the vehicles. Oh, it's awesome. What can I say? So, yeah, it ought to be just an action-packed weekend. And then the order comes in, so we'll see how that goes. But the past couple of weeks, she may have ordered a little bit more for this weekend, but not too horrible bad. So, yeah, it'll be beyond words. Yep. So we will see what's going on. I got home and I was just absolutely fried. It was not happening that I was going to stitch, because I figured if I started stitching, then it would be, you know, so I might mess something up just because I was so terribly tired. Yeah. So, I did work on the 12 ladies before I went to work for maybe about an hour. But other than that, no. Not too much. So, I have no idea how much I'll stitch tonight. So, we will see. It just depends how it all comes out in the wash, you know? So, but I'm going to put them scissors over there. Yeah, this thing, it was like a wrestling match to get this done. But I did find something, you know, every time I do a 9 count, something new occurs, right? So, I took the thread this time, a full length of 6 strands. I divided them 2, 2, and 2. And then I folded it in half. done. And then I figured out I could do the loop method to start. At least on that part. So yeah, it's getting better than having to do all the math that I did the very first time. I've never stitched on a 9 count before, so we're learning as we're going here. So we'll see. But I thought this would be a good color because the pinks that I wanted to use, like down in this flower that's like right here and here, they were so close in color you couldn't tell the difference. So I figured I'd mess that up. So yeah, got a few things on my mind today. And, you know, finish getting ready for company. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having a lovely weekend. Hopefully everything will go the way it's supposed to. We're supposed to go up on, I believe it's either Saturday or Sunday, with my daughter and granddaughter. Again, we're going to go up towards Aspen and look at the colors. See, that's the problem of being in a place like this. You can barely find time to go look at the colors yourself. Yeah. But we're gonna try. Maybe while they're all distracted with all the other events in town, you know, it won't be nearly as bad as I imagine it to be. Sorry. Yep. We'll see. I have my little, I don't know that that's a peony, but it's a red flower. And it kind of matched the others. I think it's probably something else other than that, but it was red. So here's my thread. So I just folded it in half and I ended up with a loop right there. So we're just going to do that. I'm trying to figure out where the heck I need to go here. Oh, seriously? That is if I didn't get too carried away. But it worked just fine. And all that beautiful blue color is that background. Oh yeah, it'll be something else. So, it'll be a hot moment. But at least I'm not doing half cross stitch here. Oh, I am for a couple stitches after I said that, but not the whole thing. Yeah, no. Not happening today. Before I forget, right in here. Right in here. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'm back. I will have a picture I got from Sharon. She made this lovely scarf out of all those multicolors. It is just stunning. Good job. Just beautiful. And I hope it looks nice and warm. Trying to get hold of everybody. Okay, you can take a hike now. Oh God, there's nowhere to put that. Yep, nope. But yeah, it's just beautiful. So thank you for sharing. So if anybody else has any pictures of anything they've finished, and it doesn't have to be cross-stitch or diamond painting or just whatever you'd like to share, I will get it on as soon as I possibly can. Come on, everybody shift. I had a moment there. Did you see that? Yeah, I'm like, well, no, I need to put that together. That'd only make 8 strands, right? No, I don't, Laura. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, learning curve for the old folks home here, I'm telling you. This canvas, doing it again. I was doing that today. It's so stiff, it's going to need to be crunched. Majorly crunched. But I didn't have time to do that and do everything else. So here we are. What's everybody else working on? Or do you have anything going on this weekend? Are you going any place fun? We used to, a long time ago. Oh, I don't know how long ago it was. I think it was when my grandson was small. They had a place called, I believe it's called Taylor Farms here. And they'd have a little fall thing. And they used to have a fall thing when we lived in Iowa, I think. And you could, for the kids. And I think it was even like a, what do you call it? Like a field trip thing. And they had like an artsy craftsy thing for fall. It was really nice, and you could go there, and they had hot apple cider and all this kind of stuff, and I'm trying to figure out where to go next. I guess we'll just go from here. I don't know that that will reach that far. But yeah, so I don't know if that place here is still open or not. I think my kids even went when they were little to that farm place. Because they were about in middle school. And then when they were in Leadville, they'd come here like on a field trip to go to that thing. So, God, that's been, you know, a hot moment. Probably 20 years ago. So I don't know if they still do that or not. But it's maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes from here. So I may have the places confused, but my daughter would be able to tell you more. But I thought they were still taking kids to Taylor Farms. I think that's what it's called. More so, you know, the grade school bunch. So, who knows? Do y'all have any kind of fall festivals? We used to have one in Springfield. When I was small, they didn't have rides or anything like that. I mean, they had little booths, you know, you could have that little fish and a fishing pole, you know, and whatever the magnet attached itself to was the big prize, you know. It was really high tech, what can I say? But we'd walk around. Some people were selling stuff like a rummage sale, you know, for one of the churches or for the school, and it was quite fun. We'd go to that, and that was within a couple blocks of where we lived when I was little, so yeah. We thought that was just the living end. We had no clue what was and what wasn't. We didn't know any different. We didn't have the internet and all the things that they have now. We had to use our imaginations, for crying out loud. I know. I don't think kids today have a good imagination as we do, because everything is served up on the internet, so they don't have to use their imaginations these days. All right, I think I'm about to run out of that thread. My goodness gracious. Boy, that sure didn't cover a whole bunch. Looks like I only made about 30 stitches, but it was spread out there. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.